This all began back in April when a water leak from a flower box that used to be along the entire length of the building breached its way onto the first floor and caused a lot of damage. Once the inside repairs were done, we turned our attention to protecting the outside of the building. The first thing that was done was we trenched the dirt away from the building to below the level of the slab. A tar-based membrane was applied by hand to the entire face of the building, and then over that we put this cool mat material which actually protects the building from roots, rocks, and dirt while allowing water to penetrate the front of it and channel straight down to below slab level. For the landscape restoration portion of the project, we've been working with a landscape architect. First, we're going to leave the berms as they are because they cascade surface water away from the building. This also minimizes the amount of the face of the building that has to be redone. As you can see, the grass is gone and it's not coming back. We're going to a desert landscape. That means less water, less maintenance. In addition to that, we're probably going to take out about a dozen trees for different reasons. Several of these trees along the front are leaning over the road. That presents a safety hazard. There are other trees that are just simply too close to the building and the roots present a problem. In addition, we're going to have to deal with some hardscape issues. If you look at this wall, you can see the crack, you can see the water damage, and this all occurred naturally. We were going to have to address these issues anyway. Now's the best time to do so. And there are several of these around the building. The two largest cost items in this project are the removal of trees, which is absolutely necessary, and the refacing of the building, which we've minimized by keeping the berms in place. So how long is all this going to take? First, we need board approval. Second, we need to finalize plans. Third, we need permits. Once the work begins, that should take about 3-4 weeks. Hopefully, all this can be done in the next 2-3 months.